Yeah, Mataji, recording is on and also the live is on.
Mataji, can you see me? Can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Okay.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Mataji, which class is this?
Today is Fun Friday. No class. We are just going to play a game.
Is it Damodar?
Everybody, all are welcome to join. All the groups. Madhava, Govinda, Damodar.
Mataji, I can't see your screen. I can't see your screen.
I haven't shared my screen yet. I'll probably share my screen. The first screen. Okay, 1 minute. Can you see my screen?
No. No, Mataji. No, Mataji, are we gonna do Kahoot?
Yes. But first we are going to play via Zoom. We are going to have the raised hand options. And then we are going to play Kahoot.
Okay, Mataji.
Okay, I think as I'll share my screen. Right now, can we start discussing the rules for the game?
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that is so bad. Okay. Okay, Mataji.
If somebody wants, Mataji, if you want to share the rules, go ahead and share the rules, Mataji.
Oh, you're not
okay, 1 minute. I'll try, Mataji.
Or I
taking
think
time. I'll try.
Mataji was already sharing. Indu Mataji?
Okay.
Yes, Mataji, I can share the screen.
Yeah.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, we can see the screen.
Yes, yes.
Okay, good. Okay, good. So round one, what are we going to do? We are going to have 15 questions, okay? And we are going to play via Zoom. And how are we going to play? If I'm going to ask a question, you have to raise your hands. And when you raise your hand, whoever raises their hand first, Preeti Mataji will call out that name. And then based on the answer, I'll probably read out a question and you'd have to respond to that answer. Okay, whoever raises their hand first will be given an option to to say the answer. And that's how we'll play for all the 15 questions. And then we will play Kahoot after we end the game. After we end the game for round one, we will play via Kahoot. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, so the first round we'll have 15 questions. Everybody, they have to raise their hands in order for you to be called for response. Okay, and whoever is picked, they have to say what is the answer to everybody else. Okay, I see already you're raising your hands. That's not fair.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lower all your hands, and then after Radhika Mataji says the question, she'll say 1, 2, 3, go. Then only you can raise your hands. Okay.
Okay, can we go to round one now? All right.
Mataji, you are muted.
I don't know how I'm muted. Okay, one minute. So I'll close all this. Okay, let me pause the screen share and then resume. Or how do I share the new screen now?
Just select whatever you want to share, Mataji.
Okay.
When you
can already see your questions, Mataji. It's
already okay, but there is no answers. Let me see. You're already able to see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Great. Awesome. Can you all see my screen?
Yes.
Awesome. So we'll begin with question number 1. Okay. Krishna consciousness is beneficial for A, devotee, B, non-devotee, C, Brahmana, and D, all of the above.
1, 2, 3, go. Okay.
Oh, wow. We 30 participants, 32 participants raising their hands so
Deepika.
far.
It's A.
It is A.
Yeah.
Do you want to review the question again? Krishna consciousness is
It's
beneficial,
beneficial for a devotee.
Okay.
It-
Next.
Yeah. So, I mean, can I say the
Mataji.
answer, Mataji?
Or we can allow the next child to answer, no?
Oh, yeah. That's a good idea. Go ahead.
Okay. Next is
Lipika?
Ani.
All of the above, D.
Oh,
Okay. Is it Anish?
It's Ani.
Ani. Okay. Good job. Ani got the right answer. Krishna consciousness is actually beneficial for everyone. Even a dog, animal, you know, when we chant the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, they get benefited also through the hearing process. So that is why it is all of the above. Because a devotee can be transformed, non-devotee can be transformed into a devotee by Krishna consciousness process, by chanting of the holy names, by doing deity worship. Okay? So that is why we have all of the above. Do you all understand? Can we move on?
Oh, wait, hold on. Okay. Yeah, you can go ahead with the question. Then I'll say 1, 2, 3. Right? Go. Okay.
Okay, Mataji. Hare Krishna. So next question. The second question is, Devaki is on the platform of dash rasa. A is Shantarasa, B Dasyaras, C Sakyaras, D Vatsalyaras.
1, 2, 3, go. Harini.
Devaki, you know who Devaki is? Devaki is on the platform of which rasa?
D.
D. Do you want to say that out? What is D?
Vatsalya.
Vatsalya. Very good job. Devaki has a motherly affection, right, towards Krishna, and that is why it is Vatsalya rasa. We have other rasas too. Sakya rasa is friendship, and Dasya is servant relationship. For us, we are always in the Dasya mood. Okay? All right. Third question.
Okay.
Putana disguised herself as A. Lakshmi Devi, B. Radharani, C. Apsara, D. A beautiful woman.
1, 2, 3, go. Satvik.
Satvik, are you going to answer third question?
Yes.
Go ahead, Satvik. Can you be louder, Can you be louder, Satvik?
Putana disguised herself as Lakshmi Devi.
Lakshmi Devi? Okay.
Next.
We'll probably choose another person.
Is that Anish got a chance? So Karthik?
Yeah. Apsara.
Okay.
Okay, see, Apsara. Okay. No,
A
that's also not
A
right
beautiful woman.
Who answered that? A beautiful
Karthik.
woman. Karthik? Okay, good job, Karthik. So Putana, she was actually a witch, right? But she wanted to dress herself up as a beautiful woman so that nobody finds out that she is a witch. And then she comes to meet Krishna and poison him, right? Again, the other options are wrong. They are just to trick you. Okay, next. Fourth question. Again, we are going to talk about Putana. Putana attained the position of dash in Goloka. A. Mother. B. Nurse. C. Grass. And D. Mango tree.
Wait. I'm going to lower all hands and then 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Don't put your hands up. 1, 2, 3, go. Rishikesh.
Rishikesh.
Nurse.
Nurse?
Yes.
Okay. Can we have another choice, please? Mataji, can you pick another one? Another person?
Shara.
Mother?
Mother. Yeah, who answered that right?
Akshara.
Who is it? Akshara?
Yes.
Wonderful job, Akshara. So last question also, we saw that she was dressed as a beautiful woman. I told you to poison him with the breast milk. And again, since she came with the intention of feeding him milk, Krishna gave her the position of mother in Goloka. That's how merciful Krishna is. Can you all see that? Okay. Fifth one. Dash performed the naming ceremony for Krishna and Balaram.
1, 2, 3, go. Ramchandra.
Ramachandra, go for it.
Gargamuni.
Gargamuni, yes, he was the one who named Krishna and Balaram. Very good job. Can we move on to question number 6? Lord can be captured by option A, Bhakta, B, Yogi, C, Tapasvi, and D, Sadhu.
1, 2, 3, go. Hari Hari. Who's Hari Hari? Hari Hari, go ahead. Not talking. Okay. I'm muting that.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Mm.
I think it's Bhakta.
Correct. Good job, Hari. Bhakta means a pure devotee. So Lord, he becomes obliged to a pure devotee. He's ready to do anything for the pure devotee. And Krishna comes under the control of a pure devotee. Can you imagine the Supreme Lord being under the control of someone? That is possible only if he is a pure devotee. Okay, we'll move on. Seventh question. Lord Vamanadev asked for dash pieces of land to the measurement of his steps from Bali Maharaj. Okay. Answer A, option A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, D, 4.
1, 2, 3, go.
That is so fast, lightning fast.
Yeah, I know it's Brihat Soma. Go ahead. Oh, he got muted.
You're muted, Bruhat, but your answer is right.
3.
3. I see 3 of you all there, right? But anyways, good job, Bruhat. That's the right answer. Okay, 8th question. The Supreme Personality of Godhead's dash incarnation was that of a great fish. So we have many incarnations, and in that, fish is the incarnation of personal. Which incarnation? Is it the 12th, 7th, 2nd, or the 1st? A, B, C, and D. Go.
Advait. Go ahead, Advait.
It's the D, first.
Wonderful. Great job, Advait. That's right. Absolutely right. Okay, let's talk about another incarnation question. Boar incarnation avatar is called dash. Option A, Matsya avatar, B, Kurma avatar, C, Vamana avatar, and D, Varaha avatar. It's the boar incarnation.
Okay, so it's settled. Okay, this goes to Mishti.
Hare Krishna. The answer is D, Varaha Avatar.
Yes, correct job, Mish. Correct. Good job, Mishti. That's the right answer. Okay, the 10th question is, gopis were born in the families of dash. A, Brahmanas, B, Kshatriyas, C, Vaishyas, D, Sudras.
1, 2, 3, go. Keshav. Keshav.
Keshav, are you ready? Did you say the answer? I'm not able to hear you.
Brahmanas.
No, that's not right.
Okay, I'm picking the next. Ani got a chance, so I'll pick Prahalad, who's next after Ani.
Kshatriyas.
No.
Okay, I'm going to pick the next. Brihat got a
The answer is Vaishya.
Wonderful. That is right. So you're going in order. First you chose Brahmanas, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas. Is that right? So we always say, right, Gopis, Gopas, they are the cowherd men and women, right? Krishna loves the cows so much. They are always, you know, he's always with the cows. And Vaishyas are those people who take care of the cows. Okay? And Gopis belong to the Vaishya family. All right? Okay. I don't know if that was a tough question. I'm so sorry. Okay, 11th question. On seeing Sudama, Lord Krishna dash remained seated, hurried to embrace him, C offered obeisances, D laughed loudly. What did he do? Do you all remember Sudama? He was, I don't want to say, but yeah, you can guess your answers now.
The answer is B. Hurry to embrace him.
Correct. Who said that? Good job. Whoever said that, that's the right answer.
I think that's Keshav.
Maithili? Maithili said? Oh, great job, Maithili. Because remember, Sudama is a friend of Krishna, and that is the Sakyaras. And whenever you see a friend, you would go and embrace him, right? If somebody is an elder, then you offer obeisances to them. But in this case, Sudama was a friend, and that's why he hurried to, Krishna hurried to embrace him. Okay, let's move on. 12th question. As a present, Sudama carried dash to Krishna. Answer, option A, 4 handfuls of chipped rice. B, silken garments. C, beautiful flower garments. D, scented oils.
Four handful of chipped rice.
4 handful of chipped rice.
Wonderful. Great job, Radhika and Rasika. Wonderful. Sudama, you know, he didn't have anything at his house. He had to borrow even the handful of rice that he had to take to Krishna. That is how poor and poverty-stricken he was. But as soon as he met Krishna, everything else changed. But good job. Okay, 13th question. We have 3 more questions, okay? Be careful. 13th, Lord Krishna saved Vrindavan by first one, killing Kaliya. Second, allowing him to be in Yamuna but be friendly. Third, sending him to the ocean. And fourth, liberating Kaliya. Okay, this is about the Krishna and Kaliya pastime, okay? What did he do to save the Vrajavasis or Vrindavan Vasis?
I think, did Mishti get a chance? Mataji?
Sending him
Yes,
to
Mataji,
the
Mishti
ocean.
got-
Sending him to the ocean.
Great job. Correct. Who answered that?
Vrinda and Mukunda.
Vrinda and Mukunda. Correct. Wow. How old are you? I see you're so young. Good job. I thought this was a tricky question, but you did it right. Okay, 14th one. When Ajamila saw the servants of Yamaraja, dash. What did he do? That's dash, okay? First option, he began to loudly call out the name of Lord Vishnu. Second option, began to call out for his son Narayana. Third one, called his wife. Fourth one, he began to run. What did he do? Do you all know the Ajamalsur story? It's from Ajamal's pastime.
B began to call out for son Narayana.
Right. It was a boon that he named his son Narayana. And when he called out to Lord Narayana, he offenselessly chanted the name. Okay. And that's why he was glorified. And after that, he began to be involved in a lot of devotional service, even though he was called by Lord Emeraj. 15th question. We are asked to follow how many regulative principles? Option A, 10, B, 5, C, 4, and D, 3. Are you showing hands? Fingers? I see the answer is already leaked out. Yes, that's right. Mataji, are you?
Tanvi has raised her hand. Mataji first.
Okay, Tanvi, can you go ahead?
10.
Oh, that's wrong, Tanvi. Can we give some next person another chance to see how?
Hare Krishna Mataji, it is 4.
Yes, Samarth, you're right. It's 4 regulative principles. Do you want to name those 4? Do you know what the 4 regulative principles are?
No meat eating, no intoxication, no illicit insect, and no gambling.
Wonderful. Great job, Samarth. All right. With that, we end quiz 1. Did you all like it? Mataji, can we unmute and hear from them? And then we can go and begin.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna Mataji.
All of you are doing a great job.
Thank you for such an opportunity. Thank you, Bill.
Now we are going to play Kahoot. Okay? Do you want to go to the rules again?
Mataji, how long?
Let me unmute myself. Okay, do you all want to know the rules for Kahoot?
Mataji, how long is the class?
How long is this class? We have another half an hour.
No, because on Fridays it's usually 3 hours or 5 hours.
But this session is going to last for another half an hour, okay?
Okay.
Let me unmute. And for round 2 and 3, we need Kahoot. Do you all have your mobile devices or your iPad, iPhone, or your laptop? You don't have to necessarily download the app. If you have your computer, you can go to kahoot.it and directly enter the PIN number there. I'll be giving you the PIN now. Are you all on Kahoot? Can we start the game? Okay. All right. Let me try on my end.
No, PIN.
Mataji, what is the pin for Kahoot?
Hare Krishna Mataji, what is the pin? The pin?
Wait, she's gonna give it. So, wait.
Patience.
Mataji, you're on mute.
Yeah.
Patience.
Okay, give me 1 second. This is the pin 9811596.
Your pin is 9811596. Okay, I repeat, your pin is 9811596. This is your pin.
9811596. 9811596.
Did everyone get in?
No.
We have 45 players, 47 players. We need 106 players to be in.
Haven't joined.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Join on the same.
Mataji, do they need 2 devices to look at the for the question
No.
and then answer?
They have to see our screen, the screen that Radhika Mataji is showing for seeing the questions. They will be only getting color coded. Yeah. They have to watch the screen. We got 67 players in.
If they have any trouble, they can raise their hand, Mataji, and then you can address their concern.
You want to mute everyone?
I said, Mataji, we can ask.
Mataji, that will be better, Mataji.
Yeah, we can mute everyone.
Okay.
I'm ready.
Okay.
Mataji,
Can you let us know?
Mataji, I'm fully in now.
Mataji, I need help.
Okay, is everybody on? We have 78 players so far. Wow. That's a
Okay,
good
anyone
number.
has questions, please ask. You can be unmuted. You can raise hands. We will unmute you if you have any question.
Mataji,
Yes.
Auntie,
Be quick. Tell your question.
I joined this Zoom meeting on the phone. I have Zoom in my computer. Is there any chance you could tell me the password?
You can do a parallel bar. Open a parallel Internet Explorer in your laptop and go to kahoot.it.
Yeah, Kahoot illa. I have Kahoot already. But for Zoom, I opened the Zoom on my mom's phone. Is there any chance you could give me the password? The password.
Password for what?
For Zoom. I opened it on my mom's phone, but I want to open it on the internet. Can you give me the
Yes,
password?
the password is 803604.
That's 803? Yes. Yes.
Mataji, can we start?
Not yet.
And if there are any concerns, because I just want to make sure everyone is there.
Okay,
sure.
Okay, wait. Mataji. Mataji.
Register.
After we log in, you have to put my nickname. After we log in the pin, what?
Okay, 1 second. You know what? Radhika Mataji will tell you the instructions. Mataji, please tell them the instructions once.
So the instructions are, so now are you all on Kahoot? Once you're all on Kahoot.
Mataji, I'm trying to get, but it says you have to put your nickname.
What happened, Vrinda? You're not able to get in?
Yeah, but it says you have to put your nickname.
Yes.
Yeah, put some name. Put Vrinda.
You are there. You are there.
Put some name. Put your name like Vrinda or Mukunda, whatever name you want, you put that name.
Okay.
And as soon as you enter your name, you should be good. And then it will ask you for the PIN. The PIN number is 981-1596. Yeah, we see you, Vrinda. You're on. Good job. Anybody else has questions? Are we good to start? We have 89 players so far.
Mataji, how do we? My screen says, my screen says you're in.
Yes, good job. That means you're on. And you don't have to raise your hands for this. There is no need for raising your hands. Okay? All you have to do is enter the answer option in the laptop or iPad or iPhone, whatever you have. Okay? It is all computerized now. You don't have to raise your hands and waste your time. Okay? Can we start? We have 93 players.
Yeah, there are 106.
Good job, Samarth. 95 players.
95.
Oh, please.
Is everybody in? Is there someone who didn't get in?
Is somebody having trouble?
Yes.
Who's having trouble and what's your trouble? Okay, is anyone having trouble?
Yes.
What is your trouble?
I registered, but I don't see my name on the screen.
That's okay. It will show
The
up.
whole list, so go all the way to the bottom. So yours is probably not see it right now.
What?
We have so many names here because if you have registered, you will certainly be there. Because we have 94 players, we can't show everybody on the same shot. If you have put your name in, nickname in, then you will be here.
Your screen shows that you are in. You are in. If it shows that your screen shows like that, that means you're in the game.
So we have, yes.
I'm in.
Okay, very good. Okay, now we are going to start. We have 96 players, which is a decent number. I believe more than 99% of you are in, and some of us are teachers as well. So we'll not get a complete 106 count. Okay, 98 players. 2 more players want to get in and make it 100. Come on, the ones who are lagging. Go, go, go. Be quick. Okay, 97 players. Should we start?
Bhumi has
okay,
a question.
Mataji, we can start.
Also. 2 kids
Can
have
I?
raised their hands. Do you want to ask them?
Okay. Bhumi, and you have any questions? Are you in?
But I'm like on the same device playing the Kahoot app and on Zoom. So like, how can I like see the answers and stuff?
It will all show up on the screen.
Okay.
Okay.
2 windows open. Okay, 98 players. That's good to go, Mataji.
Okay, Mataji, start.
Yes, start.
Okay, the first question. There are how many verses in Bhagavad Gita? There are dash verses in Bhagavad Gita. Option is 7,000, 1,800, 700 and 2,000. So we have 26 people who got it right. Is that right, Mataji? 26?
Yeah, the percentage, I guess.
Yeah, okay.
So you have to fill up all these things, all these different things they are saying, then only we can enter.
Whatever is the right option, you have to click that option. So in this case, we have 700 verses of Bhagavad Gita. So you should have clicked 700. If you click something else, it's wrong.
We weren't able to see like the numbers. We saw shapes.
Was it because of the...
No, they have to see the screen. You have to see the screen of what Mataji is seeing. You will just get the pictures. You will not get everything. You will just, the question Mataji will read for you. Okay. Yeah. Go ahead, Mataji. Go for the next one.
Okay. Next one. So this is who's on the leading side. Arjun, Krishna, Abhay, Keshav and Pratmesh. Okay. Arjun is leading and his score is also displayed. Second question. How many chapters, number of chapters in Bhagavad Gita? We have 17, 18, 70 and 50.
When I'm pressing, I'm not able to like press the answer.
So if your parents are there, just ask them for help. If you click the answer, it should be okay.
I just click the answer.
It's not coming.
Maybe the screen is stuck or something. I'm not sure why.
Mataji, is she on Kahoot? Did she get in?
Mataji, somebody show this Kahoot screen, na? They will understand.
I think she's not on Kahoot. She's just looking at the screen, what is coming. And that is the reason she's not able to click. Ask her if she got into Kahoot, Mataji.
Okay, I think we send the instructions so the parents can check out the WhatsApp instructions and come in.
Yeah, if not, ask your mom or dad around, whoever is there. Can you ask for help?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, so we have 69 people that got it right. Can we move on to the next question? It's 18 chapters in Bhagavad Gita, okay? Okay, Arjun is reading again. Krishna, Abhay, Pratmesh and Keshav Das. Okay, we'll move on. It shows the top 5, okay? Third question. Sister of Lord Jagannath is, we have first option Subhadra, second Rukmani, Kalindi and Devaki. We have 62 people already responded. 75 answers so far. Okay. All right. So 73 people said Subhadra. Right answer. Sister of Lord Jagannath is Subhadra. Okay. Good job. Arjun is leading. Abhay, Krishna, Pratmesh, and Balavrinda. Good job.
You see, Abhay and Balavrinda have climbed up the ladder.
Yeah. Right. Okay. Can we move on? The fourth question. The great procession of Lord Jagannath is known as, first option, Ratha Yatra, Ratha Mahotsav, Jagannath Yatra, Govardhan Parikrama. The great procession of Lord Jagannath. We have 69 people, 73, 77, 79 answers so far. Oh, 81. Okay, 60 people got it right. So all the time we'd say, right, Ratha Yatra, that is the procession of Lord Jagannath, Baladev, and Subhadra. Okay. Can we see who are all on the top 5? Okay. Krishna moved up, Abhay, Arjun, Balavrinda, and Karthik. All right. Good job. Can we move on to the 5th question? So Dash is worshipped as Lord Jagannath in Puri. First one, Lord Krishna, Lord Brahma, Lord Shiva, Lord Indra. Who is worshipped as Lord Jagannath in Puri? We have 82 answers so far. Okay, it's Lord Krishna, right? 81 people got it right, and only a few people lost it actually.
Somehow.
Okay. We have, I think, 2-3 questions on Jagannath already. What all did you learn? Who's the sister of Jagannath? It is Subhadra. And then, what is that procession called? It is Ratha Yatra. And then now we learned Krishna is worshipped as Jagannath in Puri, right? Okay, like many of you would have gone to Puri also. I have never been there, but hopefully one day. Okay, the scoreboard, what does it say? Abhay has climbed up. He's got 5,561 points. Krishna, 2nd. Arjun, 3rd. Balavrinda, 4th place. And we have Prahlad. I think he has climbed up. Okay, can we move on? Are you all ready? Okay. Lord Jagannath appeared to King Dash and ordered him to get his deity carved. Who did he order? Is it Yudhishthira, Prataparudra, Indradyumna, or Nakula? It's a little tricky question. I don't know if it's difficult for you guys. I'm sure you can do it. Okay, not bad. We have 53 people responding, and the answer is Indradyumna. I think Preeti Mataji talked about the story. It was in Madhava class or some class, she did talk about this, and that was why I thought, okay, let me include it and see who all can get it right. Good job. 53 people responded it right. Okay, let's move on to the scoreboard and see how you're all doing. We have Abhay. I think he's been the first place for a long time now. Arjun climbed up. Krishna, Balavrinda, and Pratmesh. Balavrinda is also consistently staying there, and Pratmesh has moved up. Good job. Okay, we are in the 7th question now. Krishna is all attractive. Is he boring, a statue, idol? Which of this option is referring to Krishna? Awesome. We have 85 answers, 88, 89. Wow, 84 people said Krishna is all attractive. And then 10 of them said is an idol. Okay. Boring, nobody said boring. And okay, we have 2 saying statue. Okay, Krishna means all attractive. He said this mantra, right? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. He's all attractive. That's what it means. Good job, guys. Okay, let's see the scoreboard now. I'm really looking forward to it. We have Abhay, Arjun, Krishna, Balavrinda and Pratmesh. I think nothing has changed. All of them from last time, you're all on the same places as before. Advait, you have a question? You raised your hand? Mataji, he raised his hand. I'm not sure if he's...
Mataji, I got kicked out of the Kahoot.
Oh, that happens. My son also says the same thing. Can you rejoin?
I need the ID.
Mataji, do you know the PIN? Anybody knows the PIN?
Mataji, 9811596.
Say it again.
9811
9855
9811
Oh,
11 9811
596
596.
Yeah, I also got kicked out.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, who all got kicked out, please re-enter the pin. I see that 3 of you got kicked out. Please come back.
9811596.
Mataji, now it's saying that I only have 0 points.
Yeah, unfortunately, I don't think you will get back your points, but it's okay. You're learning in the process. And it's all about learning, okay? No, don't worry about the points. Okay, did you all get it right? Did you all get the pin? Can we move on?
Yes.
Okay, good. 8th question, okay? We should not be attracted to the beauty of this dash, but to the external beauty of dash. This one has 2 options, okay? You'll have to first fill in the first option. The answers are world, Krishna, Krishna, comma, world, self, comma, world, comma, world. Okay, good. 37 people got it right. I know it's a little difficult because we have 2 blanks here, but I thought you can get used to that. Since you're all smart, you will definitely get used to it by next round. Okay, we have, that is, so the answers is, we should not be attracted to the beauty of this world, but to the external beauty of Krishna. Okay? Do you all understand that meaning? Okay, what are the scores here? I mean, Abhay is first, Krishna, Arjun, Reina, Samarth, and Murari. I think we have Krishna is also climbed up, Samarth is new, and Murari is new. So they are all newcomers, but they have climbed up to their positions 4 and 5 now because of this particular question. Okay, who is the father of Srimati Radharani? The first option is Nanda Maharaj, Vrishabhanu, Sridhama, Vasudeva. So question is father of Srimati Radharani. Okay. We have 4 options.
Very good.
74 people responded. Rishabhanu. That's right. Rishabhanu, Sri Devi. We have that sloka, right? And 8 people, I think they have missed it. Sudama, I mean, Sridhama is his friend. Nanda Maharaj is Krishna's father. Okay, Vasudeva is also Krishna's father. And here we are talking about Srimati Radharani. That's Rishabhanu. Okay, you can do a process of elimination too. You can eliminate if these people are known to you, but still you can eliminate saying who's this. Likewise, and then get this answer. Okay. Next question. I think we're going to see the scoreboard after this. Yeah. Okay, first place, Abhay, Krishna, Arjun, Reina, Samarth, and Murari. No change from last time. 10th question. We have 5 more questions after this. Who is the topmost devotee of Lord Krishna? First one, Satyabhama. Second one, Draupadi. Third, Rukmani, Srimati Radharani. 4th option. Who is the topmost devotee? Not just a devotee, but topmost. Wow, we see 77 people responding to Srimati Radharani. That's the right answer. She is the topmost devotee. Krishna loves her so much and she loves Krishna so much. Okay, that love is incomprehensible, very, very difficult to understand. But she's the topmost devotee of Lord Krishna. Okay.
Mataji?
Yes.
It's saying I'm in 0th place.
Is that right? Is it because you joined in late? I mean, did you join? You were kicked out and you happened to rejoin, right? Is that why it says like that? That's okay. Just maybe the next quiz.
I'm in 0th place.
Because you didn't score for some other previous questions, right? That is why maybe it is saying 0th place. There is another quiz. If we have time, we will do the other quiz, and that quiz, hopefully you're not kicked out. Okay? Are you able to play though?
Yes.
Okay, that's good enough for now. I think that is more important. At least you're able to see the questions and we are discussing the answers. So you're learning in the process, right? Next quiz, we can definitely do that. You can probably get in some rank. Okay? All right, let's move on. We have the same scorers except that Raya has come in to the 5th place now. Okay, who's the elder brother of Srimati Radharani? We have Madhumangal, Sudama, Shridama, and Balarama. Here, elder brother of Radharani. Okay, read the question carefully. Do the process of elimination if you can't get the answer. Okay, 48 people responded it right. Shridama, right? Good job. We have, see, Sudama, we discussed about him, right? He is a friend of Krishna. And then we have Balaram, he's a brother of Krishna. And Madhumangala, he is also a friend of Krishna. This is the process of elimination. You can eliminate and then come to the right answer, okay? Even if you don't know the name. All right. We have Abhay, Krishna, Arjun Raina, Raya, and Rama Asi, Ramachandran. Yeah, I got it. Good job, guys. Can we move on? 12th question. Sister of Srimati Radharani. First one, Vishaka. Second one, Ananga Manjari. Third, Rupa Manjari. And then fourth, Labanga Manjari. So we've been discussing, you're getting to know more about Srimati Radharani, right? It's very important for us to know about her. Okay. We have 34 people responding to the answer. The right answer is Ananga Manjari. Okay, good job. Abhay, Krishna, Arjun Raina, Ramachandran. Ramachandran has moved up, and then Raya. Good job, guys. Can we move on? Okay, let's talk about Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada appeared in this world in which year? When was he born? Which year? 1966, 1896, 1922, 1944. Wow, 62 people got it right. Great job, 1896. I purposefully put the answers all in 19 and only one in 18. So hopefully you can figure it out. That was my intention when I formulated this question. Great job, guys. Appreciate that. So we have Krishna leading, and then Abhay, Arjun, Ramachandran, and Raya. Okay, we have 2 more questions, I believe. Yes. During his childhood, Srila Prabhupada was named, first option Bhakti Vedanta, second one Abhay Prabhupada, third one Abhay Charan, fourth one Saraswati Thakur. What was Prabhupada's childhood name? How was he called? Okay, 58 people responded and said the right answer. He was named as Abhay Charan. And again, I just had Abhay Prabhupada just to confuse you. And then Saraswati Thakur was Srila Prabhupada's teacher. Okay? On. Okay, we have Krishna. Arjun Raina has come back again. He was missing for quite some time, but he has picked up. Abhay, Ramachandran, and Pratmesh. Pratmesh has also gone up. Can we move on to the last question in this quiz? 1954, Srila Prabhupada started writing Dash, an English fortnightly magazine. What was the magazine he started to write in the year 1944? Key to Happiness, Sajana Toshini, Self-Realization, Back to Godhead. 96 answers, 97, 68 people got it right. Wow, yes, it's the Back to Godhead magazine that Prabhupada wrote in 1954. Good job. Can we see who's all? I mean, I see two people raising their hands up, Advait and Bhuma. Any questions? Mataji, do you want to talk to them? And 3 people raised hands.
Oh, Mataji, it was an accident. Like, I actually raised it.
Oh, you're good? Okay, good, good, good. Other two, who are the other 2 participants there? Okay? Okay, let's move on then.
Mataji.
Yes, see, we are seeing Ramachandran has got the 3rd place. He got 14 out of 15 right. Second place goes to Arjun Raina, 15 out of 15. And then the first place goes to Krishna. Great job.
Cool. Very,
and we have Abhay and Pratmesh, runner-ups. Wow.
Mataji, show the entire score. Mataji, show the entire scoreboard.
Yes, yes. Get view report.
Players.
Players, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, see, we can see Krishna, Arjun, Ramachandran, Abhay, Pratmesh, Prahlad, Raya, Sanvi, Mishti,
Samar, Darur, Shri, Murari, Raghav, Keshav. Oh, 1 second, I can't. 1 second. Keshav, Radhika. Who was that about? That?
Radhika. Okay, Kishore.
Kishore. Okay. Yeah, I can't see Mataji. You have to read.
Radhika. Okay. Go ahead.
Radhika Rasika, Bhakti Jagannath, Karthik, Balavrinda, Vrishti, Varun, Gau, Anshu, Go, Vrinda, Mukunda, Krish, Yoshi, Sri Hari, Ethereal, Moax, Harini, Samskriti, Keshav, Shreya, Sri Hari, Devansh, Chinmayi, Nitya, Danvin, Lasya, Swastika, Yoshi, Bruhat, RSMPS, Cow Piggy Sheep, MNK, Zitika, KM, Jalak, Nivi, Honey, and yeah, many of you actually, everybody.
Wow, yes.
Yeah, Anish, Anshu, Yogesh, Keshavi, Krishna, Yogesh, Keshavi, Vamsi, Amshi, Yojasvi, Kanak, Harshika, Advika, Hamsi. Wow, everybody. I think we'll just run the screen, yeah, for them.
Right. I'll just run it out.
You can see their names.
Can you all see your names? Hari, you were here 2 times. Maybe your sister, right, Hari?
Yeah. See, all of you are winners. Every single one of you who just attempted it is a winner. Even if you were thrown out and you came back, you're still a winner. Everybody in this group is a winner. We just tried to learn something new today, and that's all. So there is no question of first or second or third. It's all about winning together. Okay? So thank you so much, everybody, for joining and participating. And let's unmute everyone and see if they like this game. We'll get their feedback.
No!
Mataji, I like it. I need Wednesday.
It's difficult. Do you want it easier next time?
Yes, I like it. Yes, I like it. Yeah.
5 seconds.
You like it so good. It's so fun.
Did you raise your hand? You have a question?
Can we play the second one?
Second one, actually, we are time up. I prepared a second thinking we'll do 2 quizzes in Kahoot. But because we are running out on time, yeah.
The session is done.
Yeah, I prepared 2 quizzes, but because of our time, we have only 3 more minutes to go. We can't finish the other quiz in 3 minutes. So we probably...
On Monday. Let's do it on Monday.
What?
On Monday. We do it next Friday.
Can we do it? Yeah, next Friday we will. If you guys like it so much, we'll do Kahoot next week.
Do we have one more quiz, the painting one?
Do we have one more quiz? Yeah, because of time, we'll not be able to do it next time.
The painting one.
Yeah.
So, the painting one quiz. Does it show? Is this happening on Facebook right now?
I'm 99.
Because it says it's recording. It's live on Facebook.
It is live on Facebook. Yes.
I played.
So we can do it. If you all like it, we'll see if we can do it some other time. Another quiz in Kahoot. And thank you all so much. As Preeti Mataji said, everybody is a winner. Okay. We all learned something. We learned about the incarnations. We learned about Srimati Radharani. We learned about Srila Prabhupada. Lot of things, right? So that's a good one. That's all we need. And we're all having a good time. We enjoyed playing the game, and I also enjoyed playing with you all. Thank you so much for making this Friday fun for me as well. I appreciate it. Bye.
Yeah, the other thing I wanted to say is that I know it's a mix of several age groups. So obviously the older kids would be the winners. It is very obvious, but still it is just a place for us to all play together. It is okay. There is no question of, loser, winner kind of a thing. Everybody has won. Everyone has learned something today. Okay. So we'll do quiz 2 maybe next Friday along with some other interesting activity. Now we'll go ahead with a special activity by a special performer. We're going to have Krishna, who's going to teach us something very exciting. Okay. So we'll have Krishna on call.